Hello students, good morning. In previous lecture already we discussed about the types of solid, okay, in solid state. So in previous lecture also we discussed about the two types of mainly solid, which is solid, crystalline and amorphous solid, okay, crystalline and amorphous. In previous class already we discussed about what do you mean by crystalline and amorphous solid, okay, and what is their structure, okay. So let's we discuss about the more details about the what is crystalline and amorphous solid. So let's we discuss about what is crystalline and amorphous. So first we discuss about the crystalline solid. Okay. So do you know about what is crystalline solid? Previous lecture also we have discussed. Okay. So crystalline solid have a sharp melting point. You know about na sharp melting point. Sharp means what? You know about sharp? Sharp means fixed melting point. Okay. Just like any solids have 320 Kelvin. Okay. At 20 degrees centigrade. So then it is a fixed. Hana. At a fixed temperature. Okay. Any solids are melt. Okay. And becomes the liquid. Okay. So sharp means क्या? Hana. Fixed melting point. Understand? So at a characteristic temperature by melt abruptly and become liquid. So on the other hand, amorphous solid soften. But in case of amorphous what? Amorphous are what? Amorphous solid soften. Soft. You know about not soft? Okay, not hard. Melt and start flowing over a range of temperature. किसी भी रेंज में टेम्परेचर में क्या होता है? That is not fixed their temperature. There is not sharp melting point. Okay. When they only है ना 250 Kelvin या another 300 Kelvin. Okay, मतलब there means their temperature will be changed. Okay, there is not fixed temperature, not sharp melting point. Understand? In case of amorphous, तो किसी भी टेम्परेचर वो क्या होने के फ्लो होने लगेंगे इन एनी है ना फ्लोइंग ऑफर ए रेंज ऑफ एनी टेम्परेचर एंड कैन बी माउंटेड एंड ब्लाउन इनटू ए वेरियस शेप्स. और क्या होंगे एनी शेप्स में क्या हो जाएंगे आफ्टर द मेल्टिंग दे कैन है ना फॉर्म द डिफरेंट शेप एंड साइज जस्ट लाइक यू नो अबाउट द प्लास्टिक. Okay, when we melt the plastic then what happens? They mold in any shape. Okay, they gain the any shape or size. That is what? That is the amorphous solid. Amorphous solid has the same structural feature as liquids. Okay, just like a liquid, you know about a liquid flowing anywhere. Okay, they have a characteristic to flow. Okay, so same as the plastics. Okay, yeah, amorphous solid. That's like a liquid. So in this way also we can say that this is the viscous liquid. Viscous means flowing of anywhere. They may becomes crystalline at some temperature. है ना they become हो सकते हैं. They carry the nature of crystalline. Okay, after the some temperature. है ना they gain the some temperature. Just like you know about some glass objects from ancient civilization. है ना पिछली सभ्यता के कुछ glass हैं. Understand? Some glasses found to become milky. वो कैसे दिखते हैं? Milky in appearance because of some crystalline. Okay, because why? Because some crystallization, okay, like liquids, amorphous solids have a tendency to flow. Okay, कुछ ऐसे होते हैं है ना जो टेंडेंसी जो क्या रखते हैं क्रिस्टलाइजेशन का क्रिस्टल फॉर्म के. ओके, लाइक लिक्विड्स amorphous solids have a tendency to flow through very slowly. amorphous solid का क्या टेंडेंसी होती है? वो किसी भी है ना एनी टेम्परेचर में या कभी भी वो क्या कर सकते हैं? फ्लो कर सकते हैं. तो देयरफॉर समटाइम्स दीज आर कॉल्ड सूडो सॉलिड्स या सुपर कूल सॉलिड. ओके, so amorphous solids are what known as supercool या pseudo solids. Why? Because they have tendency to flow है ना through very slowly. क्योंकि slowly धीरे धीरे कहीं भी है ना वो फ्लो कर सकते हैं. टेंडेंसी हो फ्लो करने के, जस्ट लाइक ए लिक्विड. सो इट इज नोन एज pseudo solids या super cool liquids. Understand? So this is the case of amorphous. Next we have discussed about amorphous solids are isotropic in nature. You know about amorphous. Amorphous solid मतलब isotropic. Isotropic means you know about isotropic means also we know that the particles या the molecules of the solid of amorphous solids are not arrangement in their regular arrangement या है ना regular pattern. Okay, they are arranged in any zigzag motion, no definite shape and size. Okay, so these are the है ना any movement of their particles. Understand? Anywhere they can move. Okay, they are not definite regular shape. Okay, yeah, definite geometrical shape. Okay, so they are isotropic in nature and they have only one direction. Okay, not in different direction, only one direction. ठीक है, किसी भी मतलब ये फिक्स डायरेक्शन नहीं है. ओके, जैसे कि आदमी का क्या है कलेक्टिव ऑफ मैंस. ओके, आदमी का समूह. ठीक है, तो वो समूह जो है एक प्रॉपरली वे में नहीं होता. नॉट फिक्स रेगुलर अरेंजमेंट. तो आल्सो भी हम क्या कह सकते हैं? दैट इज ए व्हाट आइसोट्रोपिक नेचर. Understand? Not fixed regular arrangement. Okay, so their properties such as mechanical strength. Mechanical strength you know about ना कि what is their behavior of material. Okay, behavior of material या physical power of material. Understand? Refractive index, you know about what is the refractive index. Okay, velocity of light in the, okay, in vacuum upon what, velocity of light in medium. So that is refractive index, mu. You know about na? Also study in physics. Electrical conductivity, what is their conductivity, है ना? तो इट इज आर सेम इन ऑल डायरेक्शन. ये क्या होते हैं? दे आर सो इन वन डायरेक्ट ओनली वन डायरेक्शन. ये सभी किस में दिखाते हैं? इन ऑल डायरेक्शन. ठीक है, सभी डायरेक्शन में ये सेम इन ऑल डायरेक्शन. किसी भी दिशा, हाँ ना, सभी दिशा में क्या होगा? सेम रहेगा इनका. किसी भी केस में देखेंगे हम, मैकेनिकल स्ट्रेंथ, रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स या है ना इलेक्ट्रिकल कंडक्टिविटी. ओके, तो इट इज बिकॉज देयर इज नो लॉन्ग रेंज ऑर्डर इन देयर अरेंजमेंट. यू नो अबाउट ना, देयर इज नो लॉन्ग अरेंजमेंट, नॉट डिफिनिट लॉन्ग अलोंग द, है ना, ऑल द डायरेक्शंस. अंडरस्टैंड? तो देम आर अरेंजमेंट ऑफ पार्टिकल्स इज नॉट डिफिनिट अलोंग ऑल द डायरेक्शन. तो हेंस द ओवरऑल अरेंजमेंट बिकम्स इक्विवेलेंट इन ऑल डायरेक्शन. इसलिए उनके सारे क्या होते हैं? इक्विवेलेंट हो जाते हैं, है ना, बराबर. किसी भी केस में हम देखेंगे रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स म्यू या है ना इलेक्ट्रिकल कंडक्टिविटी क्या है आपका रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स, है ना. तो ऑल दिस केस हम क्या होते हैं? सेम. ओके, तो देयर फॉर वैल्यू ऑफ एनी फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी वुड बी सेम अलोंग एनी डायरेक्शन. उनका फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी क्या होगा? सेम होगा इन एनी डायरेक्शन. बट इन केस ऑफ क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड, यू नो अबाउट द क्रिस्टलाइन. तो क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड्स आर एनिसोट्रोपिक इन नेचर. एनिसोट्रोपिक मीन्स, यू नो अबाउट ना, एनिसोट्रोपिक मीन्स क्या? देखिए, सी हियर, दिस इज द फिगर गिवन बाय. Anisotropic in crystal is due to the different arrangement. You know about now there is a different arrangement. Just like a, this is the what, red particles. This is the blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. क्या? What is given there? Again, this is the CD direction. This is the AB direction. In AB direction, what given there? Blue, blue, blue. फिर again red particle, red, red, red. Blue, 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 red, red, red. तो this is what given there? कि they given there कि in any direction, अगर हम किसी भी डायरेक्शन में देखें तो क्या होगा? ये एक रेगुलर पैटर्न में शो कर रहे हैं. इन फिक्स देयर ज्योमेट्रिकल शेप, ज्योमेट्रिकल अरेंजमेंट दिख रहा है ना, ये ज्योमेट्रिकल अरेंजमेंट में है. ओके, फिक्स शेप दिख रहा है ना, ये एक अरेंज है किसी भी डायरेक्शन. इस समय देखते हैं इधर से तो ये एक ज्योमेट्रिकल अरेंजमेंट है, इधर से हम देखते हैं तो ये भी क्या है? एक ज्योमेट्रिकल अरेंजमेंट है. अंडरस्टैंड? तो दिस शो ए रेगुलर पैटर्न या ज्योमेट्रिकल अरेंजमेंट. ओके, सो दीज आर नोन एनिसोट्रोपिक इन नेचर. ओके, तो पार्टिकल अलोंग डिफरेंट डायरेक्शन, दे शो द, है ना, डिफरेंट डायरेक्शन. इस डायरेक्शन में देखें तो भी वही लगेगा, इस डायरेक्शन में सेम. ओके, बट इन केस ऑफ व्हाट, इन केस ऑफ आइसोट्रोपिक, यू नो अबाउट आइसोट्रोपिक नेचर था ना, क्या था? सॉलिड साहब क्या आइसोट्रोपिक. तो आइसोट्रोपिक मीन्स क्या? कि दिस इज नॉट हैपन दिस वे. ओके, जस्ट लाइक है ना, सम पार्टिकल्स हेयर, सम हेयर, सम हेयर. ओके, नॉट देयर रेगुलर अरेंजमेंट. अंडरस्टैंड? दे आर इन जिग जैग स्प्रेडिंग इन देयर पार्टिकल्स in any direction. Understand? There is not fixed shape or size. So crystalline solid are which nature? Anisotropic in nature. That is same of their physical properties like electrical resistance, refractive index. Okay, different values when measured along different directions. Okay, so this arises from different arrangement of particles in different directions. Okay, just like you've seen this figure. So this is a recent figure, you know about. This figure shows simple two-dimensional pattern of arrangement of two kinds of atoms. There is two kinds of atom, you know about now, blue and red. Mechanical properties such as resistance to shearing stress, you know about they are okay, arrangement in the fixed ratio, fixed proportion. ठीक है ना, 1:1:1, फिर अगेन 1:1, अगेन यहाँ पे है ना ब्लू पार्टिकल्स, देन आफ्टर अगेन रेड पार्टिकल्स. तो है ना 4 पार्टिकल है ब्लू, 4 पार्टिकल रेड. तो दे आर फिक्स्ड अरेंजमेंट. दैट मीन्स स्ट्रेस एंड है ना स्ट्रेन. ऑल्सो यू कैन कंसीडर मैकेनिकल स्ट्रेंथ. तो देयर मैकेनिकल स्ट्रेंथ इज फिक्स्ड, है ना, फिक्स रेशियो. तो मैकेनिकल प्रॉपर्टी सच एज रेसिस्टेंस, शियरिंग स्ट्रेस माइट बी क्वाइट डिफरेंट इन टू डायरेक्शंस इंडिकेटेड इन फिगर. डिफॉर्मेंट, ठीक है, डिफॉर्मेशन ऑफ इन सी डी डायरेक्शन डिस्प्लेसेस रो विच हैज टू डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एटम्स, while in AB direction, है ना, made of one types of atom are displaced. Okay, you have to do here ना. The difference between the crystalline solid and amorphous solids are summarized, है ना. See here, what is given there. This is the CD direction. Okay, there is two types of particle arrangement. Red particle, again फिर blue, फिर red, blue, red, blue. In case of AB direction, blue, blue, blue particle, then after red, 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 again blue, blue, red, red. So these are the what, a regular pattern or regular arrangement of their, है ना, two different particles. Okay, so we have to see in any direction, different direction. Okay, they shown a fixed, a geometrical pattern, regular arrangement in case of crystalline solid. That is anisotropic in nature. Okay, now let's discuss about what is the main difference between crystalline solid and amorphous solid. Let's discuss what is the main difference. between the crystalline and amorphous solid. So according to their property, first we discuss about पहले shape. What is the shape? So you know about crystalline solid have definite geometrical shape, but it's irregular shape in case of amorphous. Melting point, you know about crystalline solid have a sharp melting point fixed, but in case of amorphous, soften over any range of temperature, है ना, gradually any range of temperature. Cleavage property, you know about cleavage means breaking. How many है ना, cutting, breaking. So when cut with a sharp edge tool, when crystalline solid have है ना cutting by sharp edge tool, then what happen? Split into two pieces in newly generated surface are plain and smooth. इसके जब हम क्या करेंगे, when cutting down by any crystalline solid just like a quartz, okay, या ice, when cutting down by a है ना sharp edge tool, then what happen? Their surface will be what? Plain and smooth. कैसा होगा उसका? Plain and smooth होगी. Okay, but in case of amorphous what? When cut down a sharp edge tool, then क्या? Their pieces will be rough surface. Which surface? Irregular shape and rough. Irregular means खुरदरा. There is no plain है ना and smooth surface. Just like rubber. Rubber को हम क्या करते हैं? When we cut, okay, by a sharp है ना sharp edge tool, then what happen? The surface is not plain or smooth. Just like a roughing surface. Irregular shape. Irregular surface. In case of heat of fusion, what is the heat of fusion? So they have a definite and characteristic enthalpy of fusion. Enthalpy of fusion, you know about Delahaye. What is their enthalpy of fusion, heat of fusion? कितना उसका है ना enthalpy है, gaining enthalpy, how many energy they gain या reduced. Okay, but in case of they don't have a definite heat of fusion. In case of amorphous solid. Next, anisotropic, you know about no? What is anisotropic nature? So the anisotropic in nature crystalline, but in case of isotropic, also we have discussed. Nature क्या है? What is the? This is the true solid, which crystalline, but in case of pseudo solid or super cool solid, amorphous solid, you know about ना. Order arrangement क्या है? Consider particle long range order. In case of crystalline solid, long range order, you know about ना. Their particles are in regular a definite pattern shape, but in case of only short range order, means indefinite. Okay, irregulars. Okay, their geometrical shape या size. Understand? So this is the main difference between the crystalline and amorphous solid. Okay. So also what we can say that besides crystalline and amorphous solid, there are some solids which apparently appear amorphous. कुछ ऐसे solid हैं जो amorphous की तरह दिखते हैं, but have micro crystalline structure. लेकिन उसके कैसे होते हैं structure? Micro crystalline, just like a crystalline है ना crystal structure, micro, small. तो these are called polycrystalline solids. तो इस तरह के solid को हम क्या कह सकते हैं? Also we can say that what? Polycrystalline solid. ठीक है, just like a crystal. Okay, just like a quartz या ice है ना, sugar crystal, salt crystal, NS plus Cl minus, you know about ना. तो in this way, what is given there? कि metals often occur in polycrystalline condition. Individual crystals are randomly oriented, so metallic है ना sample may appear to be isotropic. You know about the metallic sample, so isotropic. Isotropic means क्या? This is the because they have amorphous. तो इवन थ्रू ए सिंगल क्रिस्टल इज एनिसोट्रोपिक, लेकिन उसके सिंगल क्रिस्टल कैसे फॉर्म करते हैं? जस्ट लाइक ए एनिसोट्रोपिक नेचर. एनिसोट्रोपिक मीन्स क्या? दे शो ए डिफरेंट है ना ए फिजिकल रेगुलर अरेंजमेंट ऑफ देयर पार्टिकल्स और मॉलिक्यूल्स. अंडरस्टैंड? ड्यू टू सिंगल क्रिस्टल प्रेजेंट इन देयर. ओके, वो ऐसा उसका अपीयर कैसा होता है? जस्ट दिस अपीयर्स इन जस्ट लाइक ए आइसोट्रोपिक, बट हाँ ना ड्यू टू द सिंगल क्रिस्टल प्रेजेंट इन देम, okay, that solid, so this behaves like a anisotropic in nature. Which? Anisotropic. Okay, so also we can say that amorphous solids are useful material. Amorphous solids क्या होते हैं? Useful material, जैसे glass, rubber, plastic, ये सारे क्या हैं? These are the example of amorphous. Okay, glass, rubber, plastics. Find many application in our day. बहुत सारे ऐसे हैं also है ना, we can find in our everyday life which are है ना amorphous and which are crystalline solids. Understand? So amorphous silicon is one of the best photovoltaic material, and silicon is also a amorphous solid. Okay, because their arrangement is not fixed, not in a definite geometrical pattern. So what happens कि silicon is one of the best photovoltaic means you know about ना which present in the sunlight, which observe the sunlight, available for conversion of sunlight into electricity. Photovoltaic means क्या? What is the function of silicon? तो silicon present in the solar plate, you know about solar plate, which gain the energy sunlight. Okay, it convert into the electrical energy, mechanical energy into electrical energy. Okay, यानी sun heat energy to what? Electrical energy, heat. Okay, because sun है ना transform the heat. So then silicon absorbs. Silicon means what? Solar plate. In solar plate, what? Silicon is present in solar plate. Okay, yeah, also we can say that solar plate made by silicon. So silicon absorb the heat of sunlight and it's converted into the electrical energy. Okay, so silicon is also a amorphous solid. Okay, I hope you all are understand. Here is the index, some index question given there. Okay, just like in previous lecture, yeah, previous topic just we have discussed. So why are solids rigid? Okay, why do solids have a definite volume? Classify the amorphous crystalline, which are crystalline and which are amorphous. Refractive index of solids have observed have same value. Okay, so I hope you all have solved, all students. Okay, you can solve this question easily way. Okay, and this is depending on previous topic. Okay, just we have discussed. Okay, so I hope you all are understand and all you have to solve these questions. If you have any problem, then you have to, okay, you can ask, yeah, write on the comment box.